How to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on story. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can fix Instagram not showing highlight views on your story. Now this can happen when the cache is building up in the phone memory, and so to fix this you'll have to reset the app, or you'll have to clear the cache or clear the data and relaunch the app. Now to do so, simply scroll down the notification bar and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down until you find the option apps. Now once you find the option apps from the search bar, or either you can scroll down and search in for Instagram, or from the search bar above you can search in for Instagram easily and open up here. Now if you're on iPhone, you can simply upload the app. If you are on Android, head into storage option there and you'll find the option clear data. First try clearing your cache, and once you clear cache, try getting into Instagram and log out and log in of your account, and this should fix your issue. However, if this doesn't help, you can head back here and you want to clear the data. Simply tap on clear data, but you can read here all of this applicant's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases, so make sure you back up them and simply tap on delete option. And once you delete this, you want to head back to Play Store or App Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And once you update it, simply open up Instagram and log into your account and you should be good to go. So this way you can fix Instagram not showing highlight views on story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.